Okay, hi YouTube. So this Turbopower Boost U2718, I think it is. Let me just check. Yeah, U2718. It just arrived today, and I'm very pleased with it. There's nothing wrong with it really. It's not that dirty. I'll still clean it anyway, just because it's standard procedure, as it very much were, of me. Because I don't know. I just feel the need to clean them when I get them. But anyway, so it didn't come with this hose or any of these tools. I put them on from spare ones I had. But can anyone tell me if anyone's got this same model? Is yours green? Because this is like, all the pictures I've seen of these is like blue on pictures, but it's actually like a green colour. I don't know if it's, I don't think it's like sun damaged or anything, because if I look down here, it's the same colour under here and things, and down there's the same colour. So I'll have to look up the actual colour of this model, but yeah, if anyone's got this same model, U2718, could you tell me if it's, if your one's green? But anyway, I'll just give you a quick run of it here. The cable's quite dirty, but anyway, obviously it's got the boost button, so the centre's off, bottom's on, and then boost. So here goes. So, of course, the headlight doesn't work, but oh well. And yes, the autoflex does work. I'll just show you. I have to hold the plug, but doesn't help when it catches and curls up. And there she blows. Right. There we go. So it has got a moulded plug, but anyway, I'm sure you'll see this in a full, complete video when I finish with it. So anyway, thanks for watching.